A camera caught him walk in. No lens ever caught him walk out. Tonight, the baffling vanishing of Brian Schaffer. March 31st, 2006, Columbus, Ohio, first warm Friday of spring break. Ugly Tuna Saloon glows above Gateway Plaza, pumping indie rock and half-price fish bowls. 10 p.m., Brian meets his best friend Clint at a campus bar and downs 2 red-headed sluts to start the crawl. A dozen students tag along as the pair hop high street pubs, laughing about looming med school finals. Midnight. Brian rings his girlfriend Alexis, who is visiting family, and promises to see her before their planned beach flight Monday. His voice sounds loose but upbeat. 1:15 a.m. Security cameras show Brian and Clint riding the up escalator to the second-floor entrance of Ugly Tuna. Brian waves like a rock star, mouthing lyrics while the timestamp freezes his grin forever. Inside, the bar is loud, crowded, and under renovation, with plywood walls funneling patrons toward a temporary tiki counter. 1:57, grainy footage captures Brian chatting with 2 women near the rail, then stepping back toward the darker interior corridor. That 7-second clip is his last confirmed sighting on Earth. Minutes later, the women exit. Brian doesn't. Bouncers sweep the balcony at closing. No slumped drunk, no fight, no broken glass. Clint and another friend wait outside after last call, phoning Brian until batteries die, assuming he found another ride. Saturday morning, Alexis dials again, straight to voicemail. Brian's voicemail greeting plays Jimmy Buffett's "Come Monday," an eerie promise turned gut punch. By Sunday, his father Randy files a missing person report. Columbus police pull the bar's 8 surveillance angles frame by frame. Brian enters twice, once returning from a cash machine, but no camera records an exit. Search teams probe dumpsters, storm drains, rooftops, and a construction site with a 30-foot debris chute that opens near the kitchen. No blood, no clothing, no body. Cadaver dogs sweep the Olentangy riverbanks. Helicopters scan heat signatures on warehouse roofs. 0 hits. Randy Schaffer posts a $100,000 reward, plastering yellow flyers across Ohio State. Call volume spikes. Credibility plummets. Detectives polygraph Clint. He lawyer lawfully declines, fueling endless Reddit suspicion. Alexis, exhausted, leaves daily voicemails that sometimes ring once before cutting, suggesting the phone momentarily powered on. Cell tower pings trace only to the campus area, likely network drift. Theory 1. Construction mishap. Was Brian drunk, slipped through that chute into wet concrete later poured over? Police core sampled the slab. No remains. Theory 2. Voluntary escape. After his mother's recent death, Brian joked about ditching medicine to play guitar on a tropical beach. He owned no passport and left behind credit cards and car keys, yet some still picture him strumming Buffett songs in Belize. Theory 3. Foul play. Armchair sleuths note that 5 college men later drowned in Midwestern rivers tagged with smiley face graffiti, suspecting a roaming killer. Columbus homicide links no evidence, but the rumor sticks like spray paint. Police reconstruct blind spots, a 12-foot gap behind the tiki bar, a service door to a freight stair, and an unsecured staff elevator shaft. Any could hide a struggle from grainy 2006 lenses. 2021. Detectives release an age-progressed portrait, adding forehead lines and thicker beard. Tips trickle. A homeless busker in Tijuana, a doctor in Charleston, all false. Randy dies 2008 when a fallen tree crushes him during a storm. His obituary pleads, "Tell Brian we love him." 17 years later, the Ugly Tuna has been replaced by a noodle shop, but the looping CCTV remains online, daring fresh eyes to find what seasoned cops missed. Did Brian escape, fall, or meet something unspeakable behind that plywood wall? Comment your theory, vote in the poll, then tap subscribe for weekly vanishings decoded, because the next clue might come from you.